Welcome to the all-new G5000 line of dishwashers. Let's take a few moments to explore the G5266 SCVI. This model comes panel ready, meaning that you have the freedom to use a custom cabinet front to match your kitchen, or purchase a Miele CleanTouch steel panel and handle if customizing isn't an option. With all fully integrated models, we can see that the controls are concealed. This provides a sleek, clean look. We can see that the controls are visible in the front of the dishwasher, allowing you to set up and start programs, activate options such as Express to shorten run times when entertaining, see the remaining running time, or activate Delay Start, which can be set up to 24 hours ahead of time. All G5000 dishwashers feature the 5 most popular programs seen on all Miele models. Normal for your day-to-day needs, Pots and Pans, which uses soaking and active washing to effectively remove even the most stubborn soiling. Quick Intense Wash for perfect results in under an hour, especially when paired with Miele dish tabs. SaniWash, which is optimized to hold a high temperature for longer to ensure that items like baby bottles are given that extra special care. And finally, Rinse and Hold for that quick rinse to prevent odors when not using the dishwasher often. Let's take a look inside. All Miele dishwashers have a stainless steel interior, signifying attention to detail and quality across the entire lineup. The absence of an exposed element on the bottom means that even delicate dishes can be placed on the bottom rack. This model also features all-new spray arm design to provide the absolute best in cleaning results, not just on the bottom and middle areas, but also using a fully fledged third spray arm on the roof. No area within the dishwasher is left uncleaned. In these models, we also highlight a new filter system and greater overall water and energy efficiency, meaning less impact on the environment and your wallet over the life of the dishwasher. All Miele dishwashers feature FlexLine Comfort baskets. These baskets, made from steel and coated with a special nylon graphite application to provide durability when stacking even the most challenging of dishes. In the middle rack, we have a long-lasting favorite, the ability to raise and lower each side and even run at an angle to add extra clearance on either the bottom or middle areas when you need that extra little bit of space. An additional pull-down area, our FlexCare cup racks, free up space below when loading coffee cups or utensils. Finally, this model contains the all-new Miele 3D Multiflex cutlery tray. Not only does this tray allow you to separate and organize cutlery to accomplish the absolute best in cleaning, but the Multiflex tray truly does work in 3D. The increased flexibility provided by 3 dimensions creates a fully functioning third wash level. The left-hand side section can be shifted sideways. This creates more space in the upper basket. A lowered center section for utensils, and finally, the right side height adjustment to add the perfect space for small dishes, such as espresso cups and lightweight plastic containers that might otherwise flip and fill with water. And what's more, when each cycle is completed, this model opens automatically using auto-open drying to enhance the gentle drying process. Thank you for joining us to learn more about the fully integrated and panel-ready G5266 SCVI. Please visit Miele.ca or speak with your sales consultant for more details.